A major water upgrade project will be starting soon in western Jamaica as the government moves to fix long-standing supply issues. The initiative is set to secure reliable water for key communities, including critical tourism hubs. Shimela Pullen tells us more.
Pipes are already arriving in the island, clear signs that work is about to begin. For years, aging infrastructure has plagued western Jamaica, triggering leaks and unreliable water supply across parishes like St. James and Westmoreland. Now, a multi-million US dollar upgrade project is set to enter phase 1 within days. The plan will modernize key facilities like Martha Braid and Great River, while delivering a new water treatment plant in Roaring River.
The second leg starts around Greenwood Lilliput, close by Zero Star, and will run along the highway all the way into Montego Bay to connect with the terminal reservoir. That lake will serve all the hotels and communities along the road, but also will help move that water towards Montego Bay in case of supply disruption. And the third leg is the one that starts from Lucy, the western side of Lucy, and will run all along the corridor, all the way into Negril, connecting at the water system of Negril by the roundabout.
The project is estimated to cost some $170 million US.
To achieve water resilience, to achieve 100% access of potable water in Jamaica. And the World Bank assessed that depending on the mix of engineering solutions you chose, it would be in the range of $5 billion US. That's what is required. But we have committed 450 million, just under 9%, actually 9% of what is required nationally to this particular Western Water project.
We will not compromise on the safety. Safety of our personnel, the safety of road users, and the safety of pedestrians and residents in the surrounding area we work.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Strang says projects like this will help to drive economic growth and improve essential services.
That is the government's commitment to ensure that we build out in Jamaica a modern, adequate, resilient, quality infrastructure and provide a foundation for economic development and social transformation.
It reflects what is possible when government, technical experts, contractors, and communities come together with a shared purpose to build systems that are stronger, more reliable, and resilient in the face of changing times.
Shimela Pullen, TVJ News.